So hey, what's up guys, how are you all? I am your friend Raghav. Today we are going to start a new topic named as Visual Studio. You have read about Visual Studio. Visual Studio is a programming application which helps you to make games and apps very easily. So today we will use Visual Studio part 1. Okay, so let's get started. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and like my video. So let's get started. First of all, we will open the Visual Studio. When you will download the Visual Studio, like that an interface will come. After downloading the Visual Studio, like that interface will come, then you want to go at your desktop. You want to do right click and you want to make a new folder. You can give the name by yourself. I will give the name Technorago. Okay. After giving the name, we will drag this in our Visual Studio. Now the file is opened. Now I tell you some interior of Visual Studio. There are some tools at here and there are some tools at here. File to use to import to save our project, and at here we will get a black page. We will click on this and we will add a file and we will write in that index.html. Okay, now I give you one example of HTML. You have heard the name of HTML in your schools, where you are working there. So I tell you, HTML is a programming language which helps you to make games and apps. Now I give you one example. First of all, in HTML we will give name. We will make a column sign and we will write it here HTML. After writing this, we will close this. Then there will be the duplicate of this. Then we will do right click and you can give anything in this. HTML is a programming language. Then I will tell about P. First of all, we will open this and we will write P. In P you can give any paragraph, any type of paragraph you can give. Like I will give the paragraph okay. I have given the paragraph subscribe my channel. Now we will do the live preview. First of all, we want to right click at here and then at here will come open with the live server. After doing this, it will navigate you to a page of Google. Then at here will come subscribe my channel. Okay, and please subscribe my channel, complete 500. Okay, then we will come again. Now doing this, after doing this, I will tell them more examples like script. Okay, I will tell about your script. First of all, we will open up this. We will write it your script. Then we will close it. Then like that will be the duplicate of this. Then in script we can write like const. Okay, const is used in script. I tell you how the const is used in script. After adding the const, you can give anything. Like I will give ACP. Okay, ACP. After giving ACP, we will After giving the ICP, we will open after giving ICP, we will click on equals to. After clicking in equals to, then we will write it here. We will open and like type a thing, and we will give in this. We will give apple app. We will give app. You give anything of your choice. App, games, website. After giving this, we want to put right click and we want to give console.log. Now I tell you what is console.log. First of all, we will write console. After writing the console, we will put a dot and we will write log, console.log. After doing this, we want to cut this. We want to write log, then we want to put shift and want to open this. Okay, then what we have written in const acp, that we want to write in this. After doing this is completed our, then we will do live preview. We will right click and go in inspect and console. At here our website has come, but at here is error. That error I will tell you what is the error. We have not closed this. Okay. Now we have closed this, then we will open again the live preview. We will right click and we will click on inspect. Then we will go in console. At here our came website. So like that the Visual Studio helps you to make the games and things. Now I give you one example. Now I give you one example of a game. I will give you an example of a game. This game is very not a big and not a short. Okay. First we will clear our index.html. Now I show you the game. Okay. This is the game. At here we want to give some. We will give three languages. We will use in these three languages. First of all, we will use index.html. Okay. After doing this index.html, we will use script.js. You have listened the name of JS, JavaScript. In JavaScript, we are giving the functions var, variables, else, etc. In JS code, in the JS code, we see the mind. JS is the mind of the app. Which app or game you are making, JS is the mind of this. Okay, a short example I am giving. Then style.css. The style.css tell you to give the width, height, border, margin. Now we will do a live preview of this game. We will go and open in a live server. And here is the game. When I will click on this, our character will jump. Then when we will stop it, it will be failed because we have touched the object. How this game is made, I will tell you. So okay, now I go in Visual Studio and I explain you how we have done this. So okay guys, now I explain you the code. First of all, we will use the index.html. Doc type HTML launch and okay. But here we have given the HTML, which we have opened the HTML and we have written HTML launch, and then we have clicked, then we have written on click jumped. When we will start the game, when we will click on our screen, when we will click in our screen, the character will jump. Okay, the character will start jumping. Then there is heading, head. At here we are given head tag. Now what is head tag? In head tag you can give titles, linked, and वगैरह वगैरह. First of all, we are given metal charge UTF-8. Metal charge UTF-8. Then we have closed it and we have written title. Now I tell you what is the title. A game title which we have decided from our HTML. Like we will right click and we'll click and open with the live server. Then at here we will get title at here. Jumping game. Okay, this is the title. After this we will see this. Then there is we have linked rel style set harp style.css. Now we have linked the CSS. What the CSS property do? Our index.html will carry it and it will show. Like in CSS there is some width and size. Then we have linked it. It will show in our app, your game. Okay. Now we have closed the head. Then we have written body tag. Now I tell the body. Body is the game's body. Okay, what we have made the game, that body is giving this. In body we have given div class game. At here we have opened a div. Then we have written inside the div id character div id block div. Then we have closed the div which we have opened. Then we have given a paragraph. In paragraph we have written score, span id score span p script scr script js script html. Okay, now I will copy this code and I will paste in my game. I will paste it here. Now I will explain to you this index.html. Now we will add one more link and we will write it here. Style.css. Okay, now I have given it a style.css. Now we will look what does style.css do. We will come back in this and we will go in style.css. I told you style.css give the margin, width, height, bordering, margin, width, background color, position. It is the body. It is the body of our game. Full thing designed by the style.css. It design our game. So we will look now what we have coded it here. First of all, we have open a column. In that we have written padding 0, margin 0, overflow x, height. Then we have given dot game, width 500 pixel, height 200 pixel, border 1 pixel solid black. Then margin auto. Now what did margin give? Margin. You have listened the name of margin. With our app, या game which we have made, it gives the margin of it. Okay. Then we have given character width 20 pixel, height 50 pixel, background color red, position relative, top 150. Okay. Now what did this do? The character is our, I show you the, we'll open the, our character is this. We have given the red color of this character. Okay, we have given the character red color. Now again we will go in our style.css. After character there is animate jump 0.3 liner. Okay, then we have given the keyframe jump, that the character will jump top 150 pixel, 30 top 100 pixel, 70 top 100 pixel, 100 top 150 pixel. This project link I will give you description, from there you can download it. Now we will start block. Now there is the another block, which is the obstacle which come at here and dragging us. I can change the background color of the block. I will give this background color green. Okay, green yellow, you can give by yourself. Then we are given width 20 pixel, height 20 pixel, position relative, top 130 pixel, left 500 pixel. Animation block is infinity liner. Okay, then we have close our block. Now we will do, now there is again keyframe of block. This keyframe was of jump and this keyframe is of block. In keyframe block we have written 0 left 500 pixel, 100 left 20 pixel, P text alignment center. It is a paragraph, text alignment center. Okay, now we will go. Now I am came at HTML and again we will do the live preview. Look, our obstacle have changed the color. It happened green yellow. Okay, now I will copy the CSS link. Now we will go in our project and will paste this. Okay, now our second final is CSS, JavaScript. This is the JavaScript. I will proceed script.js. Okay, now I have given the script.js. Now we will proceed in this script.js. It is the main and important thing of index. It is the main and important thing of our game or app. Okay, now we will proceed. Script, we have given var character document.get element by id, character var block document.get element by id block, var content 0, var means variable. Then there is function jump, if character dot class list animation returns character dot class list add animated set timeout function character class list dot remove animation 300. Okay, now we have used in this functions. Now what is a function? The function like jump and the function like jump. In functions we can give how the character will jump. Okay, now we proceed. Var click del set interval function, let character top first int window dot get compose style character get protein value top. Okay, left block parallel window get composed style block dot get proper value left. Then there is if. Now we open the if. if block greater than 20, block left 20, character top equals to 130, block style dot animation equals to none, alert game over dot score plus math dot flow counter 100, code 0, block dot style animation block first infinite later, else. Now we have given it here else counter. So okay guys, now our app is completed and game is completed. Okay guys, for today this much only. If you are new my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. We want to complete 500 subscribers and like my video. Okay guys, bye bye. For today this much only. I will meet you in my another video, and the links, the project link I will give you in the description. From there you can download. Okay guys, bye bye.